guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're anything like me, you're always looking for the newest beauty trends to try out. And I have recently been super obsessed with my skin lately. It's been such a focal point of my beauty routine that I have really figured out a lot of cool ways and new ways that I've been able to take my skin to that next level. A lot of you have noticed that my skin is looking really, really great these days, and it is because I've incorporated some new things. And one of the new things I've incorporated is this Jade Roller. If you don't know, my name is Jade, so it was kind of funny that I was gravitated towards this little tool here, and I've seen it around the internet and like people using it, but I hadn't actually tried it for myself until a few weeks ago. And I actually got this one as well. This is a rose quartz roller that is from Beauty Bio, and so this one I got off Amazon. This is one from Beauty Bio. There's tons and tons of brands that carry these. I know that these Jade rollers actually retail for pretty cheap. I got this one for $8.99 on Amazon. I put the link down below for you guys, and then this one retails for a little bit more. I can't remember how much this one is because they did send this one to me, but I'll put the link down below where you can get this one. Obviously this one is a bit bigger than the Jade roller, and I think they both have pretty similar effects and benefits. I don't really notice a difference, except I actually do love this bigger one for reasons you will see in this video. But before we get started, definitely like and subscribe, put me on notifications so you never miss any of my videos. So definitely stay tuned and let's get started. Now that you know a little bit more about the rollers themselves and how I use them in my routine, let's talk about my kind of thoughts about them. So for me, I felt like I didn't see that much of a difference between the rose quartz and the jade. I think it's just a preference. Obviously, this one is cheaper, so if you're just trying this out for yourself, I would go for this one first because it's really not that much of an investment, but I think you'll really see why people love using jade rollers. But I love how big this one is. This one has a weight to it as well. This one's a little bit lighter, so it doesn't feel as, I don't know, valuable, if that makes sense. This one has a nice weight to it and it's larger, so you can actually use this one all over your body. So anywhere that you want to drain out your any fluids or your lymphs and all that stuff, it's going to do the exact same thing. I love using this on like the back of my neck, as you guys saw in the video. I haven't tried it anywhere else yet, but you can literally use this anywhere, and that's why I like the bigger one, because I think I can explore and play more with this one. But you can use this in different areas of your body too. It's just smaller. So all in all, I really love these. As you can see, my skin is doing really, really great, and I've been using these for the past few weeks. I have definitely seen a difference, and I think that it's one of those differences that it takes time to really tell. For me, I've definitely noticed the darkness underneath my eyes has definitely subsided a lot, even like inside my eye area. That this whole area usually is a little bit dark for me, but I found that since I've been using this or these, it's lightened up a lot, and especially like around my mouth too and my nose, I usually get a lot of redness or just like darkness, and these really helped with that. And I think it's probably because of like the blood circulation and like the depuffing and kind of getting my skin, you know, just de-stressed and just like circulating and everything like that. And so blood flow is really going on a regular basis, which inevitably, you know, creates collagen, and that's what makes your skin really plump and beautiful. So that's what I've noticed with using these. I definitely recommend getting this one from Beauty Bio, or like I said, you can get this one at Amazon. I already put the link down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I've got a few other skincare videos coming for you, so best believe I got you covered, okay? And definitely check out my last video, which was my summer morning routine. I show you guys in that video what my morning skincare routine is, and that's usually when I'm using these rollers. I also like to use them at night. You can use them in the morning and night, or just one or the other. And they say that you should use these at least 3 times a week. I've been using them maybe every other day or so. You can definitely use them every day. It's really up to you. So if you haven't started using a Jade Roller yet, I definitely recommend it. And until my next video, I will see you guys next time. Bye.